just on the way to Melbourne. It's what time is it, Mal? 11:50. We've had a coffee this morning, and yeah.
We're gonna go and get a chicken sandwich.
Oh yeah, the chicken sandwich that we raved about the past few days. We're gonna go and get one of those and show you what it is. It's actually unreal. Different kind of sandwich to the one we had in Geelong.
It's an insane
sandwich. Insane. So we'll take you along. So we're in the land of the chicken sandwich, where we literally rave over what's going to be put on our table in 5 minutes. It's where it all began.
It's where we started off.
It's where little chicks, right, that are going to be fit and bred for going in a sandwich dream of being between these two slices of brown bread. They dream of it. That's how good it is. So they run around in their little hutches, thinking about being here next to H&M in Melbourne off Burke Street. Let's give you a bit of this is the archways. Go back. Goes all the way back. This building that we're sat literally behind us, as you can see, H&M. It is probably the biggest H&M store I've ever seen.
Yeah,
and it's just magnificent inside. It's all like, if you can read this here, circa 1841, just tells you about what it is. And in 1841, it was a post office that became a regular meeting place, and it was due to the fact that there was a huge clock, and people then couldn't obviously keep track of time, like watches and phones and smartphones and whatnot, like we do today. So it would be a public meeting point, and I mean, you can just tell from all the archways. I mean, look how amazing it looks. But inside the H&M is just, it's mad, absolutely mad. You're going to be in heaven.
I'm literally looking at the door waiting for it to come out. I'm not excited.
Come out, sandwich. Honestly, that was a big shout from Molly Cameron. Say it again.
It's one of the best sandwiches that I've ever eaten in my whole lifetime. My whole 22 years of living, the best. Seriously.
That is a big shout.
If you ever come to Melbourne, you have to come here. You have to. You're stupid not to.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So this right here is the sandwich that we dream of, okay? It's got celery, chicken, walnuts, sauce. Try a bite and just, first bite, is it as good as it always has been? She needs a minute. She needs a minute. That is what food does to us, good food.
We are. Best sandwich of all time.
Really?
Yeah.
So good.
I'm wanting Sam to hurry up and take his first bite so I can carry on eating.
Recording. Yeah.
Heaven. It's just too much, isn't it? It's incredible.
Speechless.
Sam is trying to feed the birds out of his hand. I don't think it's going to happen.
There you go. So me and Mal are trying to guess the price of these shoes that she saw yesterday that she absolutely loved. Where are they? Over there. So place your bets as well. Hold on, I'll show you what they look like. Right, so how much are you guessing, Mal?
I reckon about
A grand? I'm saying about 450. On the other one. So I was wrong, completely wrong. Tell them how much they were, Mal.
900.
$950. Now we're going to the Queen Victoria Market, which is, if I'm right, the largest, could be market, could be open air market, one of the two, in the southern hemisphere. We've actually been here before. It's pretty overwhelming how big it is. I still don't think that last time we went we saw everything, but Let's see if we can today. Hot, isn't it?
So now it's absolutely boiling in Melbourne.
I have to undress.
It was cold this morning, but now it's so hot. But look
From the
how beautiful our view is.
Going past the skyscrapers. Molly's storming ahead whilst I'm really hot. Absolutely huge. The amount of stuff here. Some really nice stuff as well. This isn't even half of it. Like, you can't even, it goes on for so long. Let's see if I can show you. Around here. What's that, Mal? Come around here. See if we can show them how far back it goes. People are packing up. Let's see how far back it goes now. All the way down there. And then all the way down there. So we just asked someone and they said that on Tuesdays and Thursdays it shuts at 2. And it's now 18 minutes past 2, so we're a bit loud. But I think we'll come back tomorrow and get a proper view of it all and show you guys more. So today was just a snake pike, wasn't it? Just a snake pike.
Okay.
So dead quickly, not only is it from way back behind there, all the way down behind that lorry, and all the way back that you saw before, but it's also there as well. Humongous. Independent produce and stuff, isn't it?
Just walked into this really cool.
Just full of like loads of like funky little shops and stuff. Local produce and look at that, all the part of the market. We didn't even know, so it's even bigger than we thought it was. Choi's. Chocolates. That's so nice. Really tasty. Just found this little cool coffee shop with a standing room. There's absolutely no seats whatsoever. But yeah, this is part of the Melbourne, what is it called? Central, Melbourne Central. Look up the top there. More shopping. I don't know how big this place is.
Crazy, look at the clock. Finished our day of mooching around and eating, and we're just going to go and enjoy a bevy, a nice cold beverage on the Esplanade, on St Kilda Esplanade, which is really nice. Probably go to the same place as we went last time when we had those sweet potato chips. Yeah, it's
but at the moment I'm actually really full, so
I'd like a sandwich today.
yeah, but I'm really full.
I'm full.
Considering yesterday we ate loads as well.
No, we've not been eating loads recently.
No, but yeah, no, I couldn't stomach any more sweet potato chips today, but I'll go down, have a drink, hopefully not get too bloated, and just enjoy people watching. They have a system in Melbourne called Mikey, and for all the public transport like the trams, the buses, all that kind of jazz, you have a card which you can top up, and you just top up, and then when you get on at your destination, once you get on the tram or the bus, you touch on with your card, and then when you come off, you touch off. Simple. So we're outside Luna Park. You ready? Pull your best face, Mal. Yeah, that's the freaky face of Luna Park. Bit like a pleasure beach, St Kilda. Built in 1912. Not as big as. Not as big as big one. Yeah, it says there, built in 1912. Gives you pause the video there if you want a bit of history. But I can't be bothered reading it. Here's the St Kilda Esplanade, Epping Spade. What are you singing?
Mary Poppins.
All right. Yeah. So this is the Esplanade.
God,
Hopefully.
did you not know?
No, I don't know. So we're gonna go. Hopefully the bar is open that we want to go to. But if not, then we'll just have to come back and off and die. Rock on, dude. Surely, my lady, it's about to be open today. It's about to be open today. Has to be open today. It's got to be open today. Hey, tell them it's going to be open today. It's going to be open today. I'm a horse. No. Has anyone seen that video of that black guy with his girlfriend at the park? Or it might not be his girlfriend, probably not now anyway. And she's got like a funny jaw and she's making funny noises at him and you can tell he's embarrassed. And the title of the video is do you feel sorry for him or something like that? Well, Molly's got her best impression. Go. In these, she's got her paint in these excellent chairs. Looking out
These excellent chairs.
towards the Esplanade. It's actually quite good to do a little slow-mo pano in this because I'm not shaking about like a shitting dog. Sorry for the language there. But yeah, pint in hand, chilling out. Hello. You okay there in your little leg? There's a little hole there, I don't know if that's if you want to deposit anything through the bottom. You could poo out of it if you wanted to.
You alright there, babe?
Cheers. Just chilling with my mates. This is a joke. This is what I mean. This is why it's so
many
hard.
cakes. Amazing.
This shop is next door.
Happy hour time. We're just heading back now. We've had a little bit to drink. We're feeling joyful.
So yeah, see you in tomorrow's vlog.